everybody, I'm Alex and welcome back to Don't Starve. Now I can't remember what we're going to do when we left it off. Since we're going to making an alchemy machine, which we need wood. Or wood should be in stone. I don't think it's good. I expect this axe to run out any second. Quite a bit. I need to make an axe. Which requires one of those two things. Let's take two of them. Thank you. 80. Made it easier for me to track you down. Like I say, these should be up every day. I made a mistake with the last one due to editing purposes, really. The editing taking hopefully it'll be one day. For Civ, we'll be coming out every other day. I've only recorded to upload Civ. And also, let's make... Alright, so we're doing quite a bit. Quite a bit. Come on, chop. We need more left. It's only over half, so it should be able to. Exactly enough. Bird Kingdom. Oh, he's away from Bird Kingdom. Yeah, you don't want to go near Bird Kingdom. It's not a nice place. I guess we can mine this. I mean, it will give us gold. Unfortunately. One, two, three. I'm gonna grab this one. I'm gonna start reading now. I'm not gonna read it yet. Sorry, there we go. So, mine should come up. Yes, it's being free. We need two. Well, not that old. So now we head back to the camp. We should be able to make ourselves an alchemy machine to be free. It's just what we need, friends. An alchemy machine. 75 getting low. We'll go in here. We got a pretty lot. We did basically what we wanted to do. We do have the pine carrier. Exactly what I would say, Wendy, my dear. Exactly what I would say. So what I got there, I would think, it didn't do as much as I thought it would. But that was meat, everybody. So we'll be cautious now that I've lost pretty much most of my food. Please fly, give me seeds. Yeah, I was like, no, I'm not gonna 2 seeds. I'm like, please 2 seeds, I need you to. Man, for my health, man. Alright, so there's not much here. Gonna have to head back to camp. For now. Annoying. But yeah, that's pretty much part seed. That's pretty much part 3, guys. Pretty like the same amount actually of time as the other parts were. But there we go. We got Gary in it. Barry. Oh, I have to look in the previous parts. There is a better back. Lovely jubbly. 2 days into it. Oh, that's not good. He's on fire by this. There's no such thing again. Oh yes, I'm pretty sure that feature has not been added yet, which makes the series of hell of a lot easier. Gonna fill that in. And you know it's night, so now we're just waiting by the fire. Charles Norris. Benny for the Achemy big friend. That was almost right. We are going to die. No! I'll see you guys in the next episode.